have 3 meetings. I'm gonna try and get Burger Patch. What's up, everybody? Spend the day with me. We are going to Sacramento today. So normally I get ready in the car. I know, surprisingly, I am not. I don't know, you guys. I just get in my head because it's like, this is nothing compared to when I had my backdrop and my vanity and stuff like that. It's like I really just downgraded, but it's currently like the living situation that I'm in and I just need to own it, which is why I'm doing a lot of videos in the car, because it's like I really don't have a place to film like that. Like, I enjoy doing things in the car, but I feel like it would just be more freedom if I actually had a place where I can shoot content anytime that I want to. As you guys know, I am trying to use the last of my makeup because I plan to throw pretty much all of my makeup away. I don't use makeup in the summer purely because I am a sweaty gal. I will sweat it off. I break out in acne and it's just not worth it to me. Plus, I want to get a really good skincare regimen down. If you guys follow me on TikTok, then you know that I have been finding all natural products to heal my acne scars. I have had acne probably since I was like 17, 18 is when it really started happening. From then probably until about 27, I really stripped my face from all the natural oils. I used Clean and Clear, Neutrogena, Proactive, just a bunch of different chemical products that were just so bad for your face. And I really did a number because mentally I was in a really bad place because my face looked terrible to me. I wish that I wasn't so hard on myself when that was happening because I did a lot of damage for a very long time. And now I am trying my hardest to heal everything naturally. And hopefully by the time I'm like 35, maybe even 40, I will have the skin of my dreams. So as you guys know, this is my entire makeup collection. I have one foundation, one concealer, one mascara, one blush, one highlighter. The thing that I do have multiple is eyeshadow palettes. I have 2 eyeshadow palettes, and then I have, I think, like 2 or 3 lip glosses. I do not have, oh, and 1 lipstick, but it's really old. I need to buy a new one, honestly. This was my first time getting these products except for my mascara and my eyeshadow primer. Those I have been getting for a very long time. Honestly, I probably wouldn't get any of the things that I got again. Maybe the eyeliner. That's because it's hard for me to find a really good eyeliner because I have hooded eyes and it just like smears everywhere. So if you have any suggestions on eyeliners, if you have hooded eyes and something that really stays, doesn't go to the bottom of your lid or onto the hood of your eyes, please let me know because I would love to try it. All the items that I have, I probably wouldn't repurchase any of them except for my eyeshadow primer. Not even that mascara. That mascara is cool, but honestly, I think I'm over it. I feel like I've used it for so long that it's just kind of like there has to be something else out there because it doesn't get my eyelashes the way I like them. But mind you, I don't have a lot of eyelashes, so what can you do? All right, you guys, well, let's get into spending the day with me. I haven't pumped gas in so long because my man always does it for me. I grew up like that. Do it on your own and you don't need a man type deal to do anything for you, which is, I feel like, both good and then not good. I feel like it's good because there was a long point in my life where I didn't have a man and I moved to a new city and it's like, who's gonna pump my gas for me? You know, like I moved to Sacramento by myself. I appreciate that I know how to pump gas by myself. Growing up, I was too much in my masculine energy. I was very tomboy because I grew up with 5 younger brothers. It's easy to get lost in that. To me, I'm glad that I went through my masculine energy when I was younger and now I'm able to be in my feminine energy because I have a man that is masculine. However, you run your relationship, that's on you. But like for me personally, I like the fact that my man pumps my gas. Shit! This is such a long line and it's like I'm going to the Starbucks. That's not good because you already know it's closest to me and the line is just, every time I record, the line just wants to be hella so crazy. It literally snowed like 2 days ago and now it just wants to be hot. I like being in my feminine energy. This is something that I have never felt before, and honestly, I do not ever want to go back to being in my masculine energy. When it's necessary to go into my masculine energy, then of course I will bring that side out of me. For the most part, no. I am very blessed and happy that my man is able to bring out that side of me. What's up? Just got into Sacramento. Checking the P.O. box because I think I have a couple of packages in there. And then I have 3 meetings back to back. 2 in South Sac and then 1 in Midtown. I'm gonna try and get Burger Patch. Here we go. So it's freaking 4:20, right? And naturally I'm supposed to be in Hawaii, but that didn't pan out. So here we are. So we're at the cannabis shop. Cannabis shop. The line is insane. And I'm very upset with people. Like, why didn't you get your goods yesterday? So that way I could just go in today. The cannabis, you know, the syrups, they don't have it in Reno. So here in Sacramento. Let me show you the line. Don't mind my crack ass window. There's a door. And the line just goes all the way down. Wow, that line is lining. This is my 2nd time ordering from this vendor. I actually found her through TikTok. Hold on, I'm gonna open this real quick. It's all natural and vegan, and you guys know that I'm with that, and it's a small business, and she makes them, so it's like, that is right up my alley. Turmeric honey soap. I have been using this all over my face and my body, and I had also bought face oil, which helps with like acne scars, brightening the face, all that stuff. The oil I'm still good on, and I've been using it almost, you know, every day, if not every other day, since I got it, so like 2 months ago. The only thing I needed to re-up on was really this soap. And then I also got this little bamboo soap holder that goes like in the shower. A dark fader jelly mask. That's so funny, it smells like turmeric. This is what it looks like. I'm so excited for this. I was feeling bougie at the time when I bought everything, so I also bought a little silicone brush to kind of like brush it on my face. That is the goods I wanted to share with you guys. I actually have another unboxing that I want to do, which I'll do like a little later. We are on to our last meeting. The other 2 went really good. I'm super excited because we talked about music videos coming up. We are working on our summer campaign, and so we're getting everything together. Right now I'm in the middle of getting props together, getting the people together. We're shooting to film mid-May, having everyone's schedule, getting what we need to get in, shipped in, make sure it's here in time. We are going to meet with our last person. We're actually meeting at Burger Patch. I'm so excited for that because they have outside seating, and today is a beautiful day. It's so sunny. The only thing that we're missing is the Kings game. I wish the Kings game was playing at Burger Patch because it's like Midtown. It would be like such a cool vibe. It's hard to go out and enjoy a basketball game somewhere downtown in Sacramento if you don't drink and if you don't eat meat. Those are really the only 2 things. Go to a bar, but you're not gonna drink, and then you're not gonna order bar food. I'm ready for the future, and when they make vegan bars, that would be really cool. I'm here for that. I'll invest. Get it going, because I'm totally with you on that. I will see you guys at Burger Patch.
Thinking of like getting into it?
Well, I'm down to start ASAP.
Okay.
I'm down to start ASAP as far as we can do video calls and all this. If you're looking to actually
Just got done with the meeting at Burger Patch. Now I have a little time to spare. It is 8:30. Trying to edit the last of a YouTube video so it can go up tomorrow. This last weekend I went to a studio session. I am editing all of that. These are all the clips that I put into that video, and honestly it's about an hour worth of footage, but I ended up only using 9 minutes of it. Ooh, this is my first ever order from White Fox, and I had to get the sweatsuit because you know me, I am all about comfort. I got the size small medium in most of my items, and I didn't realize how long and baggy they really are. Like, this is really like a oversized kind of line, but the quality, you guys, is totally there. Get unready with me. I'm starting off with my makeup remover cloth. This is a game changer. Definitely switched over from makeup remover wipes to this, so much better. And then my man brought me a piece of ginger because we always like to eat ginger before bed, and I'm cracking up because his hand is as big as my face, you guys. I was just like laughing too hard. Yeah. Ooh, that was a spicy ginger, but boy do I love it. And then I just take my micellar water. Don't quote me on it. And then I have a Neutrogena oil makeup remover for your eyes. And then I am now using the Turmeric honey soap, which I'm so excited. You guys know that is a game changer for me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me. I'm so happy that you're here, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.